compressed air system is the lifeline of today's truck operating systems. That means that taking proper care of the vehicle's air system components to prevent contamination is vital for equipment functionality and uptime. The best way to do this today is through regular and routine maintenance of your truck's air dryer cartridge. Using desiccant, which is designed to absorb moisture from the compressed air drawn into the system, and sometimes coalescing filter media to combat oil aerosol droplets, the air dryer cartridge is your truck's main line of defense against contamination in the compressed air system. Fleetguard is proud to offer a range of air dryer cartridge part numbers in our suite of heavy-duty filtration products, all backed by the best warranty in the filtration industry. Changing your air dryer cartridge is a simple and cost-effective method for ensuring that the truck's compressed air system is working properly. The best way to tell if the air dryer cartridge needs to be changed is if the system is slow to build pressure. This is something that will happen gradually over time, but it is an indication that service is required. Fleetguard products ensure equipment performance and protection that meets or exceeds the OEM specifications. So give Fleetguard air dryer cartridges a try on your truck the next time you're ordering parts. For more information about Fleetguard air dryer cartridges, contact your local Fleetguard representative or visit fleetguard.com today.